All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2019 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor 3.7 liter engine, all-wheel drive, original bright white from factory, former Probation Department vehicle with only 95,000 miles. This vehicle does hold a clean and clear title. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is turnkey ready to go anywhere across the state, folks. Very nice looking unit, very sharp, very well taken care of. Let me stop right here, folks. Vehicle does have a medium shade window tint on the rear only. There is no window tint on the front windows. Vehicle does have two holes in the roof where the actual antennas are. One appears to be a GPS black hockey puck, and the other one appears to be like a layered black trash can looking antenna that I put in there myself. Vehicle does have working factory backup sensors and backup camera. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks, as I already took care of everything for you. She is road ready. Very minimal amount of scratches. If the vehicle does have any, they do blend in with the vehicle, but I walked around it myself. I'm a very detailed guy, so I got to tell you that I didn't see that many scratches. My detail crew did an amazing job pretty much getting rid of everything that the vehicle had. It was pretty dirty. Vehicle does have maybe about 4 door dings. Once again, they do hide in the paint. Let me stop right here, folks. The vehicle does have a nice set of semi-new tires. Those are going to be the Firestone Firehawks 245/55 18s. All 4 steel wheels are nice and glossy. So lucky for me, I didn't have to put tires or repaint the wheels. Folks, I got to tell you that the vehicle does have dual working LED spotlights that were reinstalled to the vehicle. The vehicle didn't have any spotlights at the time of arrival. Vehicle did not have any push bar also at the time of arrival, so yes. Sorry, folks, I'm looking at the glare right there from the sun shining on the front bumper. All right, folks, vehicle does have a good set of good use LED spotlights. Shannon Brown, thank you so much for taking care of me on that department. Vehicle does have a good use Satina push bar. Everything was reinstalled on the vehicle. The vehicle does have a nice set of OEM headlights with the new HID bulbs from factory. So the lighting on this vehicle is pretty bright at night. Folks, I am sorry, I apologize for the little bloopers here. I have people behind me, and I'm trying to stay focused here. All right, so yes, as you guys can see, everything was pulled back into the vehicle. Folks, those are the actual antennas, so if you need to drive the car through an express car wash, those antennas are going to stay put. They are not magnetic. What you see is what you're going to get, so they're the actual rear deal. They're just non-up. So you guys can see I do have a vinyl leather type rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vinyl flooring, nice vinyl flooring. There are no tears, no cuts on it whatsoever. I do have a nice set of all 4 doors. All 4 door panels are in mint conditions. They're not destroyed. Passenger side seat is in nice shape still. One little tear here from the gun, I'm guessing. All right, so what you see is what you're gonna get. I'm leaving that alone. No center console on this one. I ordered one on Amazon, the regular black center console that I always use on this vehicle. So the vehicle, if you're the customer, we can leave it alone for you to install your equipment, or maybe you want to go with something else, I'll leave that alone. Or if you want the black center console, just let me know, I will throw it in there, no worries. Honk does work. Cruise control does work. LED lights do work. Vehicle does have 2 regular keys. 2 regular keys, no key fobs. Let's go ahead and fire her up. clean this up here for you guys. Vehicle does have 95,000 miles. I am driving the car a little bit more, so the miles are gonna go a little bit higher, but nothing crazy. Speakers do work. Bluetooth does work. Cigarette lighters do work. USB connection does work. Auxiliary line does work. Map lights do work. Red LED, white LED does work. Everything on the dash does work, folks. Everything lights up as it should. If I do forget to mention something on the in my description here as I make my way to the car, I will let you know. Passenger side seat is in literally new condition. I don't think nobody ever sat there. Let's go to the back of the vehicle, folks. I'm sorry, I'm not trying to get stuck here. All right, this is the back of the vehicle. Let me clean this up here for you guys. I need to step it up. 6 minutes already. Vehicle does have a full-size matching spare tire and wheel. This is what came with the car, so yes, buyer does take off. Let's close that up. Police Interceptor. Let's go under the hood so we can go ahead and go over the specs, maintenance on this vehicle here. All right, one hand. Here we go, folks. Please bear with me. Bars on the way. All right, here we go. 7 minutes. This is the engine of the vehicle. Once again, my detail crew did an amazing job cleaning her up and bringing her back to life from what she was right out of the auction house. All right, folks, here we go. Starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I do have 6 Motorcraft Platinum spark plugs. Transmission was serviced. That was a draining fill, and we did go with Motorcraft LV. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Folks, the vehicle does have a brand new belt and tensioner. The ones that were in there, they were a little bit old, a little bit with cracks, so I went ahead and replaced them. Vehicle does have a brand new cabin filter as well. All brakes and rotors are in good shape from that department, along with the tires, so I didn't have to put anything on the rear rotors and on the brakes and rotors. I'm sorry, they were about 70%, literally new. Super cold air conditioner as well. All fluids have been topped off. Engine is nice and quiet. No funny ticks, no funny noises, no funny smells, no nothing. Very smooth, very quiet when you're going down the road, folks. All right, am I forgetting anything? I don't think so. Okay, here we go. Oh, I forgot to mention the vehicle did come with this little ion emergency lights on the mirrors. I believe they're going to be the red and blue. However, they do not work. They're there for looks. If you are the new owner, you can do whatever you want with them. That'll be totally up to you. Another thing I forgot to mention, that the vehicle does have a ticket light on the back that also does work. Okay, it's a red and white. That does work. One last final look at this beautiful vehicle. If you guys are interested, please do not hesitate to give me a call. Email me or text me. For faster response, I prefer you call me or text me. I do an amazing job trying to get back to my customers on a timely, fashionable manner. All right, folks, this is my final look at this beautiful 2019 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. She is road ready. All services have been done, folks. I left nothing for you to do. She even has a full gas tank. I really doubt you're gonna have a full gas tank by the time she sells, but there will be some gas on there. If you guys are interested, once again, please call me. I know you can find cheaper cars out there for sure. I don't doubt that, but they're not gonna be in this condition, folks. Buy from the people you know and those who you trust. For those of you that follow me, you guys already know how I work, and you guys do know that I don't cut any corners whatsoever. And I do try to sell quality, and these are the final results of my product right here. All right. If I do forget something that I probably might have mentioned, folks, I'm gonna add it to my eBay description. These vehicles gonna go for sale at a reasonable dollar amount. Okay. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to stay with me, looking at this gorgeous Ford Explorer here. Once again, original bright white from factory, former Probation Department unit, clean and clear title.